Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short and sweet quick intro. I am going to be doing some quick decluttering. Yes, I'm on the floor in my kids' bathroom. I also wanted to mention that this video is in collab with my friend Ericka from Shewolfmoms. And so before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Erica. My channel name is Shewolfmom. I am a stay-at-home mom to two. I have a 13-year-old son and a 9-year-old daughter. I am married to my high school sweetheart and we have been married for 15 years now. We live out in Arizona and we've been here for about 8 years. We are actually going to be making a big move this year and this is going to affect my channel content. You are going to get to see a ton of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing of my home in preparation for a big move. Not only is it a big move, we are also downsizing. I'm really excited to share this stage of my life with you. It's something I've been waiting to say out loud. I also do an occasional product review, so definitely stop by, say hi in the comments. I'd really love to get to know you. And thank you, Denise, for collaborating with me today.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and this is the inside of their cabinet. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to being on the floor. But this is the inside of the cabinet, and yeah, it's pretty messy. So let's get started. So one thing that we do not have in our home is a linen closet. So I keep a basket in our kids' bathroom and also in our bathroom for our towels, and this has seemed to work pretty well for us. So I'm just going to start off by going through all these baskets that I had underneath the bathroom sink here. I'm not sure why I had all these baskets, but I think it's because I use them also in our old home. And just FYI, none of these are new. I've actually had all of these on hand from Dollar Tree from years ago before we moved into our home, and they've kept up very well, so I just went ahead and utilized them again. So here I'm just going to be going through all of the items that I had underneath the sink, and I'm going to just decide what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to trash, and what I need to rehouse elsewhere. You guys, going through this, my kids had I don't know how many things underneath this sink, and I'm just like, what was being thrown underneath here? Yeah, they had toothpastes, and they had some dental floss items, and this little vomit bag. Sorry if you don't like the word, but it's a little bag. And that I actually do use in case they were to ever get sick. And then the chargers to their electric toothbrushes. Just FYI, a little tip, you can actually give your toothbrush, your electric toothbrush, a full charge, and it will last you for days and days and days before you have to charge it again, if you don't like to keep all of those cords on your bathroom sink. Okay, so now that I am pretty much done taking everything out, I'm going to go ahead and use my Method antibacterial spray and just wipe everything down really well on the inside of the cabinets, as well as give the outside of the cabinets a very good wipe down. So, do you guys ever start to organize things and you feel like, okay, I'm organizing, and you get going and then you just kind of feel like maybe it's not going to work and you start reorganizing? That's pretty much, if I made sense at all right now, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I had already organized things in the basket and I realized this wasn't going to work. So I decided to try it a different way. Also, I want to add that after filming this, I did realize that I do want to go back and add a small emergency kit underneath the sink for my kids. I think it'll just kind of make it easier when I am looking for band-aids or some like wound wash or Neosporin. I think it'll just be easier than having to go and, you know, dig through all of my things. And plus, it'll kind of ease up some of the cabinet space that I have in my bathroom as well. Getting rid of everything that was old and just wasn't being used, and it's not like a lot, but it's still, you know, a decent amount to be getting rid of underneath the sink. So that's going in the trash. And then if you can see here, these are all the extra things that were in there. This I use to, of course, clean the windows. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away with my cleaning supplies. This I no longer use, so this is gonna go with the trash as well. This we still use. This is for, you know, aloe vera after sunburn, so that's gonna go with my stuff. Same thing, this just in case we ever need it is going to go with my stuff. It's still, yep, it's still good. It says 22 on there actually. This Neosporin, this is a foaming liquid for so that's still good. Let me just make sure. I want to check the expiration date on here, and make sure that that's still good and that's gonna stay. And then this is all gross and yucky, but I don't think I have any more use for this, so this is gonna go trash. And then these were just some random things I found. This I'm not sure what to do with this, just because it's still in good condition, and I'm thinking about just kind of throwing it underneath here just in case, but I don't know, we'll see. And then these are just some extra things. My son obviously had some toys in here, some nail clippers, which I'll actually leave these in here for you. All right, guys, so I am done. I just wanted to share this with y'all because it didn't take me much time, and it also didn't cost me any money. And I just want to show y'all that y'all guys can definitely do it too, even if it's a small project. Also, thank you so much to Ericka for collabing with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.